Hey everyone, Pradeep here from Pradeep Ghosh Tech. Welcome to another video, and today I will be unboxing a first generation iPhone SE, that is the iPhone SE 2016, which I bought from the toogood.com. Of course, you guys already know that toogood.com is actually associated with Flipkart. They sell refurbished phones, and there are many iPhone models available. And this is not the first time that I am buying from toogood.com. I had two previous experience with toogood.com before, and I know you guys have some good and some bad experience with toogood.com. My previous two experience was actually 50-50. The first one I bought was an iPhone 6s, and that turned out to be a disaster, which was in superb category. The condition of the phone was pretty good, but the battery condition was really bad, so I had to return it eventually. Then I bought an iPhone 6, which I still use today, and that phone was from I think in good category, not superb, but that phone turned out to be a better one from the iPhone 6s. The battery backup and the overall device condition was very good. Now let's see how this one turns out to be. Actually, this is an iPhone SE first generation, so without any further delay, let's get into the unboxing first. Now here is the package from the toogood.com. Actually, I got rid of the original outer package, and this was within that package. The phone is actually in bubble wrapped, and there's a bill, and the bill shows that it has a 12 months vendor warranty, as you can see here. So that's really nice, and that is what they actually promised to provide. And let's cut open that box and get the main iPhone box out. And as you can see, this is the main box is actually sealed with a two good stickers, and it says the iPhone SE silver 16 GB. This is what actually I bought, and the box is in pretty good condition, I have to say. uh, let's cut open the seal just like that and see what comes within the box. And at the top we can see the phone is placed wrapped into the stickers. Keep it aside now, and let's see what else we can get in the box. And here are the paperworks. No Apple stickers though. We have the SIM ejector tool here. Then we have the warranty card. That's good. So this is the warranty, this is the brand that is providing you the warranty, actually the 12 months vendor warranty. Then we have, it looks like it is the original Apple charger, the 5-watt Apple charger. And then we have the Apple USB to lightning cable. Let's put all these aside and have a look to the original device. And I have to say that from the first look, the condition of the device looks really well. There is not a single scratch mark in the screen anywhere or in the body, and it's in perfect condition. Yes, the power button, the volume keys, the headphone jack, the lightning cable, the lightning port, everything else is in perfect condition and shape. So let's set up the phone first, and by the time I set up this device, here is a full configuration overview of the iPhone SE first generation for you guys. So guys, the setup is complete. Let's check in the details of the phone. Let's go to the general and go to about section, and the software version is actually 14.0.1. So that's good. The iOS 14 is provided out of the box, but I will update it later with iOS 14.4 beta 1. And this is the model name, and there is a serial number. Let's check the storage here, and we have 6.9 GB of 16 GB used. Okay, so now let's go back and check the battery condition here. Battery percentage on, and it's out of the box 73%, as you can see. And The battery health is, as you can see guys, it's 99%. So it's really good that we are getting a 99% battery life condition phone, which is a refurbished one. Everything seems to be really fine. Let's go to the apple.com here. And it loads perfectly. There is no issue. And this is the app store. This is also working perfectly without any problem. Everything is really smooth and the UI is working absolutely fine without any issue. And let's check the camera here. I press don't allow here, and yeah, the camera looks fine. Here's a quick sample photograph. Let's take a photo. Yeah, it's working okay. Now let's check the front cam, and it's working fine as well. So the overall hardware condition, I have to say, is perfect. Now guys, let's check whether this is a original Apple device or not. For that we have to go to the checkcoverage.apple.com and just put the serial number, that is the serial number provided in the phone. Just copy it from the phone and paste it here, and then just paste the captcha and then click continue. And as you can see guys, this is an original Apple iPhone SE first generation. The serial number is actually verified by Apple. There is a valid purchase date of this device. Of course, there is no Apple warranty. Instead, we have some vendor's warranty provided by the seller itself. The bill that I showed you at the beginning will help you to get that warranty. So okay, this is, at least this is a good thing that we are getting an original Apple iPhone and the serial number is verified as well. Now guys, I have finished setting up this device, and then I have updated this device to iOS 14.4 with developer beta 1, and I have been using this device for 2 or 3 hours. And here is a quick update, here's a quick battery update guys. Well, I have used some Apple Music, YouTube, then Photos, Safari, Weather, all these apps, and you can say that I have used so far around 35% of battery. If we go according to this matrix, we are going to get around 5 hours of screen on time with this device, which is really impressive for a device that old. So that was the video guys. I hope you liked the video. So please do comment if you have anything to know about toogood.com or the iPhone SE first generation. Do like and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.